At first glance, this looks like a basic, compact motorhome. But the moment you step inside, the entire lounge flips into something you don't usually see in a Class C this size. And just when you think that's the big trick, there's a surprise hidden at the back that completely changes how you cook, relax, and store your gear. Today we're reviewing the Gulfstream BT Cruiser 5210, a small Class C built around a transformable lounge, a modular kitchen, and way more storage than you'd expect in this footprint. Let's take a look. On the outside, the BT Cruiser keeps things simple but solid. You get laminated fiberglass walls over an aluminum cage, so the shell feels sturdy and stays better insulated on hotter or colder days. The one-piece fiberglass roof is a big win too. Fewer seams, fewer chances for leaks, and less maintenance over time. At about 22.5 feet long and 96 inches wide, it's short enough to park in tighter spots and low enough to clear most driveways and garages without feeling like you're wrestling a big bus. Inside, the lounge is where this floor plan really starts to make sense. You've got around 77 inches of interior height, so most people can stand comfortably without hunching over. The windows use soft pleated shades and clean, hidden hinges, so it doesn't feel cheap or rattly when you're driving. Underneath, the foam-sealed underbelly and welded steel frame floor aren't just technical terms. They help cut down on road noise and keep the temperature more stable while you're parked. The kitchen is compact but usable if you actually like to cook. Solid surface countertops and matching sink covers help it feel more like a small apartment than a rental rig. And they double as extra prep space when you're getting a meal ready. You get a 3-burner range with an oven and a 2-way double-door fridge, so full meals are absolutely on the table, not just reheated snacks. With a 41-gallon fresh water tank on board, you can cook and clean for a few days off-grid before you need to top up. In the bathroom, the numbers actually matter in day-to-day use. A 26-gallon gray tank and a 26-gallon black tank mean you're not running to the dump station every single day if you're traveling as a couple. The tankless water heater is a nice upgrade too. Instead of timing short RV showers, you get continuous hot water as long as you've got propane and water coming in. A sky dome over the shower and a powered vent help pull steam and moisture out so it doesn't stay foggy and damp after every shower. Sleeping is handled by that convertible lounge up front. During the day, it's your main seating and hangout area, and at night it drops into a bed so you're not giving half the coach to a fixed bedroom that just sits there. The interior height and mattress platform make it easier to move around without crawling. And for a solo traveler or couple, it keeps the whole layout feeling open instead of chopped up into tiny rooms. Storage is better than you'd expect for a coach this size. The basement compartments open on magnetic door holders, so you're not fighting latches while you juggle chairs or a grill. With a cargo carrying capacity just over 2,300 pounds, you can bring folding chairs, tools, outdoor gear, and still have room left over for personal stuff. That same welded steel frame floor and steel underbelly we mentioned earlier are what let it handle that weight without feeling flimsy over time. Out on the road, this still feels like a Class C, not a full-size bus. The BT Cruiser rides on a Ford chassis with a relatively low profile, which helps it feel more stable in crosswinds and a little less like it's fighting the air at highway speeds. The 96-inch width makes lane positioning easier if you're moving up from an SUV or pickup. And with a 25,000 BTU furnace on board, you're covered for shoulder season trips when nights drop colder than you planned. Thanks for watching. If this BT Cruiser layout fits your style, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's shopping in this size. Drop a comment and tell us this: would you live with a convertible lounge bed, or do you need a separate bedroom in your next motorhome? You've been watching Car Hub, your trusted guide to the world of motorhomes and campervans.